Are you going to sing a song, Daddy-O?
He doesn't feel like singing.
Are you kidding? I've never felt more like singing in my life.
And we've never felt less like hearing you.
Let's go.
Let's get you.
Want some?
I want an answer.
Want some?
I want an answer.
Want some?
I want an answer.
Oh, wow, you know, no matter how many times I see that thing, I always learn something new. Okay, I'm ready, Crow. Let's try it.
Hey, Joel. Want some?
I want an answer! That worked pretty good. Okay, Tom, ready? Let's try it.
Well, you know, I can't use my hands to hold an apple, so I rigged up this Carmen Miranda getup. What do you think?
You can't hold an apple, but you... Oh, forget it. Okay. All right. Some guys had brothers. I had Sonny. Okay. So you killed Sonny. Admit it.
Whoa.
Okay.
Your name's Peter
Get
Plum.
your clothes on. You're coming with me.
Your name's
My
Peter
name
Plum.
is Peter Plum.
If you weren't a guy, well, I'd bust you in the chops.
If you weren't a guy, I'd bust you in the chops.
Okay. Joel, can the Stanislavski...
This is fresh paint.
Can the Stanislavski, okay? Let's read some letters for crying out loud.
I'm sorry, I got kind of crazy there. Okay, let's do that. Let's see. Let's put this up on Still Store Canva. Okay, this one is from Christina's, and this is kind of I am 7 years old. I am in the first grade. Sister.
Oh. She's the first grade
Sisterhood is
sister?
powerful.
Cool.
Okay, it says, "Shut up, you guys." And Tom Servo says, "I hate you too." And Crow says, "I hate you."
That's really sweet.
Okay, now this one
we
comes
love each
from
other.
the Xerox Full Integration Test Engineers. Let's put that on Still Store. And that says, "Dear Joel Cambot, Tom Servo, Crow, and Gypsy, we, the Xerox Full Integration Test Engineers, do solemnly swear to be faithful MST3K viewers until death, unreasonably high taxes, or show cancellation do us part." I think that's full integration test humor.
I think so.
Anyway, we have a fun, large group of people here at Xerox that are addicted to your incredibly funny show. We have a ritual now that Friday lunches are reserved strictly for MST3K viewing. Life here at Xerox has been enhanced by MST3K, and frankly, we feel that it would be virtually impossible to live without the satellite of love. Keep up the good work, people, and bots. Okay, this is the last one. This one is, we'll put that on Still Store there. And this says, "Dear guys, I have always liked your show since the begin. I'm writing to you guys to ask a few questions. 1, how long did it take to build Tom Servo, Crow, and Gypsy after you had the design?
Built?
2.
How do guys do before and after the experiments every week?
It's an intelligent question.
What do guys do to relax?" Questions! I need answers! Wait till I get you home, baby.
What do you think, sirs?
Push the button, Frank.
Want some?
Push the button, Frank.
No, really, I insist.
Push the button.
Have one.
Push the button, Frank.
You're not getting enough to eat.
Push the button, Frank.
No, have some.
Push the button. Want some?
Yeah.
Push the button, Frank. What the Sam Scratch is going on here?
He's playing with the buttons. Isn't that cute?
Here, come on. Push the button, Frank. It's a good boy. Come on. There you go.
Oh, he's walking. I think it's on.
I think so. Push the button, Frank.
Dr. Forrester, it's not working. Not working.
Well, no wonder. Your baby's got string carrots all over the keyboard. You're just going to have to hold the key down, Frank. I've got to go change him.
But he's got to want to change.
Just hold the button down, Frank. Frank!
Oh, you've got the problem. I'm only paying you half price for that because it took you over 30 days to burrow here with that pizza.
Frank! Frank? What are you doing?
I was just getting a piece of water.
A piece of water?
I mean, a glass of cake.
Come here.
Come here.
Come here, let me show you something.
Oh.
Remember this? Well, that's it, Frank. We're licked.
Dr. Forrester, I've known you to be many things before, but I've never known you to be a quitter. Are you going to give up now? Don't quit. Live, damn it, live!
Oh, I remember. Alt function 7.
Couldn't help you if I wanted to, fella. Gem policy.